Y'all, we're gonna make some pork belly lollipops. Yeah, I go with it on the Ninja Woodfire Grill today. Guys, this is so fun and so simple. We are taking some slices of pork belly, rolling them up into like a lollipop style, shoving a skewer through it, giving it all that good smoke, and we're gonna braise it, give it all that good barbecue flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you. I've tried these before and they basically fell apart. So I'm trying to make these a little differently, give them a little bit more heat than I normally would. So we're gonna smoke them at 300 degrees, and I'll put the Celsius right here, okay? And get them in that braise, keep them nice and tight. And if they fall apart, they fall apart. Either way, we're gonna have some nice smoked pork belly that, you know, we're gonna candify. So guys, do me a favor, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. What we've already done is the pork belly came sliced. Okay, so this is about 2 pounds of pork belly, and I'm making 6 lollipops. So you'll see me roll up the pork belly here, stick a skewer in. I get 6 of them done. Then I realized at that point that I wanted to season the pork belly before I rolled it up and put the skewer in. So you'll see me unroll all of them and take the skewers out, and then add a little of this Double Eagle tea spice. This brand sent me their barbecue rub to try, so we're giving it a try on these pork bellies. I'll put a link down below if you want to check out their stuff. It's a really tasty rub, goes good on anything. It's a very good all-purpose rub. Get the rub on, pat it in, all that good stuff, and then re-roll them up and stick the skewers in. I have 3 extra slices over to the side that we're just gonna cook up. I'm only putting the effort into the 6 lollipops, and you know, the other ones we'll just chop up and eat. All right. Okay. We were out here on the wood fire. Guys, we threw our TempSpike Plus thermometer in there. It's a little thinner, a little sleeker. It's a great Bluetooth thermometer to use on this. Got 600 feet of range. The app is amazing. So we're gonna set it up for pork belly. We're gonna take the pork belly to about 165, 170 in that range. We'll add it to one of those metal trays, get the barbecue sauce in there, a little bit of pineapple juice, and get it nice and braised in there. Wrap it up tight, right? Take those to about 205, 210 internal temperatures, right? Then we'll pull them out, get them back on that grill plate, get a little bit more of that barbecue sauce on them, shut the lid for a few minutes, set that sauce, and we're ready to eat. All right? Guys, I hope you stick with me in the end to see how these bad boys turn out. The pellets we're using in the wood fire, you know we're gonna go with those Smoky Pecan pellets. Guys, they're burn cleaner, they burn longer, they're perfect for this wood fire grill. If you guys wanna get some, link down below in the video description. My link will save you 10% on your first order. Can't go wrong with it. Okay, now, let's get this bad boy fired up, get those pork belly lollipops on. What do you say? Right, lollipops over there, Smoky Pecan pellets in the wood fire. We got our grill plate in, smoker setting. Go to 300 degrees on the temperature. Timing, we're gonna take it to 3 hours. I don't think it'll take that long, but you know I don't like to mess with it once I got it set. Hit start, let it go through that ignition process, and then we'll get these bad boys on. All right, y'all, smoke is rolling. Let's get our lollipops on. Just gonna kind of stagger them up a little bit through here. I cut the little skewers too, just to make it a little easier to handle. And we'll get our 3 little extra pieces on the side. You can see our TempSpikes in there, TempSpike Plus. Get that over. All right, now we can add a little bit of room with these bad boys. Give them a little room to breathe. All right, let's give them a smoke bath. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, team. It's been about 40 minutes. Let's take a look. Sorry, I got some bad lighting over here. It's a little later in the day than I normally shoot, so you got a big shadow across it, but you can see how pretty all that looks. And so far, so good on these bad boys staying together. All right, let's get them ready to braise. Let's get them in this tin pan. Guys, comment down below. Are you gonna take the time to make these lollipops? Are you just gonna make good old-fashioned pork belly burn-ins? What do you think? Okay, we're gonna start with the braising liquid. Got a little pineapple juice going in. You can use apple juice, you can use chicken stock, whatever you want. It's a little 6-ounce can. We got some Guy Fieri Flavor Town hickory barbecue sauce, so we'll throw some of that in there. Save the rest of that barbecue sauce for when we put this back on the grill and set the sauce. Get our tin foil on. Then I'm gonna kind of fold down the sides of this pan so it fits. But make sure the seal is really tight in there so it steams and braises real nice. Get it back on. We still have our TempSpike in there monitoring the temps. We're gonna take it to, I have it reset for 207. So we'll go with that, shut it down, and then we'll see how much longer it takes. All right, team, it's been another 40 minutes. Pork belly is temping out at over 207 degrees. Let's go ahead and get this tin foil off. There's our little lollipops. All right, let's get these out, get them sauced up, and get them set. I'm gonna go ahead and take the pan off, deals back on. Feeling nice and tender. All right, we're gonna give them a little bit more of this barbecue sauce over the top. Give it another 5 minutes to set that sauce, and then we'll chop in. All right, team, our pork belly lollipops are looking right. Let's get them off, get them inside, and take them on. We're in the house. Let these cool down just a little bit. We got our little lollipops here. You know, they're just interesting. It's fun to do something different. No big deal. They're still pretty hot, so I'm gonna get a little bite. Oh yeah. Ah, that finger looking good, baby. Guys, that's just a fun, sticky mess. I'm just telling you. Go ahead and make this. Listen, it's a different way of doing pork belly burnt ends, basically. We got some meat candy going down. These are bomb. I suggest you make them right now. And if you make them, I'll throw them on any of the social medias. Tag me in it. I'm cooking with CJ on everything out there, okay? If you guys want to get yourself one of these Woodfire grills, there's links down below in the video description, okay? I also have 4 e-cookbooks for the Woodfires. Download them, you keep them forever. They're awesome little cookbooks, okay? For the knives, thermometers, cutting boards, the rubs, everything I use in my videos, the links down below, okay? If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that love them some pork belly lollipops, there's 2 ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description or the join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.